another delivery. Let's open it up. Christmas everywhere. Still Christmas everywhere. Everywhere you go, there's Christmas. Christmas just ain't Christmas. Let's see, what did we get today? What I got in today is a set of LED strip lights, and this is a multi-function strip light. Let's open the box and see what comes in it. It is, plays my music. Okay, so I just got these lights in, LED lights. And this is just going to be a quick little open box review, and I also want to test them, make sure they work before I go ahead and install them. So let's open this box up and see just how it's packaged. Very nicely packaged, I like that. Pack of installation clips for hard installation, permanent installation if you want to keep them up without using the 3M tape. It also comes with 2 extra rows of 50-foot 3M tape, just in case you use the other ones, you take it off and you want to reinstall it somewhere else. You got them. And there's the power cord and some service and warranty information and ways to extend the warranty if you want to do that. So you have 2 50-foot rows of LED lights, nicely packaged. More clips for hard installation. Alright, so let's dig into some of these packages and see what else is actually in the box. So in this package, I think you have the user manual. Let's check it out and see. Yes, there is the user manual. Tells you more information about it. And the remote control. And while we're talking about remote control, it also can be connected to an app. And I will go through all that when I actually do an installation. And this is the power clip that clips the lights to the power supply. Interesting. Also in the package with the clips, you have a way to connect an extender, which it will actually connect both of the 50-foot lights if you want to use them both at the same time. And there's a remote. Lots of features on the remote. Battery is included. There's also a programmable feature if you want to do like flashing lights, like the Christmas display or something like that. So let's grab these lights. We'll figure out how to plug them in. It does warn you not to plug them in while they are while they're still in the reel. So I'm going to unfold some of these, and we're going to check it out. Make sure that it was working good, and later on I'll do an installation video. Okay, so I got them powered up, running through the functions on the remote. Has a lot of features. It's also programmable, but I'll get to play with that later. So this is my open box review. Thank you. And it may be hard to see, but I am three-quarters done around the room. But I finally finished. Total job may have taken me 30 to 45 minutes. The main reason why it took so long is because I put the lights up above here. I'm really impressed by how well it sticks. I've done some LED lights before that the glue did not stick very well. This seemed like it's very strong. Now, I did clean it. I cleaned all the way around first, and then I went up and I stuck it. And the adhesive seems very, very good. So I'm very impressed by it. Now I do need to. Now, next thing I need to do is play and learn the remote. So next thing I want to do is just play with the remote a little bit. So we'll see if we can download the app and get the app up and running, because that is so much more convenient than keeping up with another remote control. I like it. Alright, so we got the lights hooked up. I don't know if you can see them with all this bright light on, but pretty cool feature. Pretty cool lights, and not only that, I'm really digging this app. Alright, so let's dive into this app. One key feature I really like about this app is that it just works on your phone. You don't have to be connected to the internet. I have one on my TV that I got another brand, and it has to be connected to the internet to work. So this is a great option. I really like this. So let's take a look at it. So this is the app. It was very easy to connect to, simple, only took a few seconds. And look, you can control the brightness, temperature, color, and again brightness. And if you want to play music through your phone, just pull up a That is the NEXillumi LED lights. The one that I got is 100 feet, 2 rows of 50 feet. It comes with multiple 3-inch strips to use them over and over again. Also comes with physical mountable clips. Comes with connectors so you can connect them together. And pretty good little device. I like it, and think you should give it a try. Hey, got any questions? Shoot them to me. I'll try to answer them. If I don't know the answer, I'll find out for you. If you like the show, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the bell so you can follow me along the way. Go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the bell so that you can follow me. So this is E.
from Easy Tech Review, and I will see you on the next review.